Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into FAIRWAY Now app review. So to get started with a quick overview, the FAIRWAY Now app is developed by FAIRWAY Independent Mortgage Corporation. It's a mobile platform designed to streamline the home loan process, available on both iOS and Android device. The app offers features such as a quick loan application, a real-time loan tracking, secure document, and a integrated communication with loan officers and real estate agents. It aims to provide a user-friendly experience for both first-time home buyers and seasoned borrowers. And talking about the key features about this platform, it covers a wide range of key features. It comes with a quick loan application, a real-time loan tracking, a secure document upload, and integrate communication together with a loan scenarios calculator. And here's a quick pros and cons about this platform. Talking about the pros, it comes with a streamlined loan application and a tracking process, secure with a convenient document handling and integrated communication with the loan officers and realtors. Talking about the downside about this platform, it lacks in-app mortgage payment functionalities, require users to access the website for payment, and also some users may prefer more detailed loan information directly within the app. And here's a quick bottom line about this platform. The FAIRWAY Now app offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to simplify the mortgage process. Its user-friendly interface with a real-time update and integrated communication features make it a valuable resource for individuals navigating home financial. While there is a room for improvement, such as adding in-app payment capabilities, the app's strength make it a worthwhile tool for those seeking a streamlined mortgage experience.